Have you ever been shocked, or have your clothes ever clung to your body, or maybe even your hair decided to stand up? So that may got you thinking, why does this happen? And the answer is static electricity. All physical objects are made up of atoms. Atoms are composed of negatively charged electrons, positively charged protons, and neutral neutrons. Opposite charges attract, whereas like charges repel. Static electricity is due to an imbalance between negative and positive charges in an object. So how do we get an imbalance in charge? Well, the answer is static electricity, and it simply can be produced by rubbing two things together.
Simply put, static electricity is excess charge moving from one place to another. In day-to-day life, this is exhibited by electric shocks when reaching towards a doorknob and by when your hair stands on end. Both of these situations often occur after you walk across a carpeted surface. As you shuffle across the ground, your feet remove these charged particles and they work their way into your body from the carpet. Now that your body has a net charge, the charges within your body repel each other, causing charge to spread out far over the surface area of your body. Since hair is very fine and weighs very little, once the positive charges get to your hair, they cause the hairs to repel each other and makes them lift above your head. Now that your body is full of excess positive charge, if you reach towards a conducting object, like a doorknob, the charge will attempt to leap out of your body and towards this conducting object. And that's how the static electricity from the carpet causes your hair to stand on end and you to get a shock when you reach for a doorknob.
Now that you've learned a little bit about static electricity and how it works, we're going to show you a cool demo today putting everything together. Before this demo, you need to learn how PVC pipe and Christmas tree tinsel, made out of Mylar, how these two insulators can interact with one another. So PVC pipe can be rubbed on your sweater, on your hair, or even on your cat. By doing so, it charges the PVC pipe in a negative manner. The tinsel has a neutral charge to it, and when the two are put together, the negatively charged PVC and the neutral tinsel, they stick together. They attract one another because opposite charges attract.
Okay, so I'm going to take this negatively charged tube and this somewhat normally charged Mylar, and I'm going to put them in contact with one another, and what that'll do is that will draw the positive charges from this Mylar into the tube, and then the overall net charges of both of these will be negative. And what that's going to do is cause them to repel. And do that.